Whew, I am bushed. I just made a whole new section trail with the Milwaukee hatchet, which is pretty darn cool to basically make a trail that I think the side-by-side is going to fit down with one battery, and I still have 2 bars left with an electric chainsaw. That's pretty cool. So we're going to go see right now if the Polaris fits through said trail, or if we have to make it wider. We're going to find out. Could have cleaned up this down tree that I cut up, but we're just going to drive right over top of it because that's what the Polaris does. Now we're going to have to make a little bit of a forward and back here because I don't have it quite as clear as I'd like to have right that spot because there's a tree in the way and I'm not sure I want to get rid of that tree. So we're going to see what happens. Now we want to avoid any kind of major, damage. I'm not trying to break it. But on the same token, I kind of like to see if it fits. Now as you can see, we have so many down trees from this storm, plus this property had a lot of down trees in the first place. Oh yeah. Probably could have gone just a little bit taller on that tree. I guess I didn't notice that. So what we're going to do really quick, just because we have the saw here, let's fix that real quick just because it's not good enough. All right, we are vastly improved now. All right, we're obviously going to make this trail wider as we go, but this is the first cut, and it can only get better from here. So the biggest thing I wanted to accomplish here is a turnaround where I didn't have to go back and forth 100 times. Not really 100 times, it's more like once. We're going to go back through the other way and see where we're at. This is where we watch for that tree so I don't back into it. Alright. What in the world is behind me? Junk? Huh? Oh yeah, because the trail's right there, dummy. Alright. Let's do this. That's just some down wood that I cut that got in the way. That's going to go back with me in the back of the side-by-side. Well, I would say, you guys, the Milwaukee hatchet has definitely earned my respect because this is a decent amount of effort that went into this, and it still has enough battery to go back and cut something else. And my experience so far is 2 bars is still a pretty substantial amount of cut time. So I am pretty darn jazzed about that. We're going to avoid that hole in the ground. I don't even know how that got there. I'm assuming this was clear cut back in the day, even though we didn't really avoid it that well. We're going to wheel through here, and then we're going to back up here because we don't have everything perfectly cleared here. But I'd say that's a pretty nice step. Now, it wouldn't kill me to bring some of that wood up, which is what I very well might do really quick, is load the back of the machine up with some of this perfectly good firewood. But in the meantime, we'll bomb over it. Oh, what a beast. All right. I'm going to load up the wood, and we're going to talk to you guys later. this isn't cleared by any means, but it's moved in such a way that I think I can squeeze through here. I like being able to use my trails again. That storm was a mess.